Electric vehicles are no longer the future, they're the present. At SumZero Energy Systems, we're proud to be Massachusetts' trusted leader in home electrification by Mass Save. Known as the #1 heat pump leader and installer in the state, we now bring that same expertise to EV charger installations. Our service is designed for flexibility. Whether you're looking to install a level 1 charger for basic use or a level 2 charger for faster, more efficient charging, we'll make it happen, regardless of your product or brand choice, as long as your electrical panel is adequate. But for the smartest future-proof solution, as an authorized SPAN dealer, we recommend upgrading to a SPAN Smart Panel. It not only optimizes your home's electrical system, but also gives you full control of your EV charging. Today, there are over 2 million EVs on the road in the US. By 2030, that number is expected to reach 25 million, and experts say nearly 80% will be charged at home. With SPAN, you can even charge your car directly on sunshine during the day, or keep charging during an outage, maximizing the benefits of solar and clean energy in your home. And when it comes to speed, a level 2 charger is the clear winner, delivering up to 6 times faster charging than a standard. No matter your needs, SumZero Energy Systems is here to help. We bring unmatched expertise in electrification, because when it comes to preparing your home for the future, you deserve the very best outlet. SumZero Energy Systems, Massachusetts, the #1 choice for heat pumps, and now EV charging.